In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store cannot install Netflix, no errors found in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, I want you to check for pending updates. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. At the Settings, please navigate to the left pane, find for Windows Update, click on it, and then please click for check for updates or resume for updates and then update your computer to the latest version. So this will surely help you to fix the problem and might as well make improvements to your device. Once you are done, restart the PC and check if the error has been fixed, okay? And if not, press Windows key and R key together. This time, please type for wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button, and this will help you to clear the Microsoft Store cached and the junk files. This will surely help you to fix the problem. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.